Hello everyone, that's a just quick video about actually this laptop. Customer came to us today and this wasn't booting at all. So I thought maybe there is an issue with the hard drive. It turns out that this hard drive was just slightly loose like that, and you could see the gap in between the hard drive itself and the connector here. And that was causing the issue. Now the question is, because customer is quite sure that it was bought at CEX, why they would do such thing, why they don't test and why they don't have mounting, which is original here. Maybe when they are buying stuff they don't test it properly, maybe they didn't open it. And the second question is why this didn't allow, if you've got NVMe here, why it didn't allow to boot properly from here and neglect this hard drive. Yes, so I would say when you buy laptop like CX, you should test those things, and that's the first time I see something that was neglected. I had CX as a good company to test things before buying them, and now they failed. Yes, so I suggested the quickest way, because I don't have those metal mountings here which we see in the HP, so I suggested to just use hot glue gun. Yes, just glue it, and in the worst case scenario you have to unglue it, but that's job done, and the repair is in about half an hour, I'd say. So yeah, that's all we can do here. Maybe if it will dry out I will dip in a bit more on both sides just in case, but that's all I wanted to show you. Check things, guys. Yes, check things, guys, because that's a bit unprofessional, I can say. And if you remove something, put it back, because then other people will be a bit sad when they will buy it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.